Alright, if you remember the last video I did of the 76 station right behind this Go Car Wash location, we're going to go ahead and try it out and see what there is to offer and what wash we're going to get and see if the wash is any good. So I guess this is the entrance right here. See, they're using an interesting material for the dry and shines right there. I forgot what the name of that material is. SF Car Wash Channel told me what it was, but I forgot. It says, please use the shortest line. Okay, this entrance really doesn't make any sense. Like, you're going to end up merging back into this lane anyway. Look at this. You got a Amazon online order pickup that you can use right here. Never seen that at a car wash. Kind of a weird spot for it. Interesting. Here's a better look at the single wash prices. Pause to read. Well, go back and pause to read that. And here's the memberships. They also it says add graphene to your wash for only $3. I'm assuming it'll come with the $25 wash. Hi, we're gonna do the Go Big single wash, please.
Go big, alright. Big is same price right now, $25. Can you the whole one? Second one is also $25.
No, thank you. I'm good. Does it come with graphene on the top wash, or do you have to add $3?
Top is wash.
Yeah, the big Go Big.
The Go Big, you could add it. It's just like.
Or is the top single wash is $28?
Yeah.
The Go Big Plus.
Same price for membership, but yeah, that one does come with graphene.
Okay, then yeah, I'll take the Go Big Plus single wash, please.
Alright. There you go. Look, it's my sheet's not working.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, you as well. $28. I haven't seen pricing like that since the Bliss Car Wash store in the City of Industry that had a polish tunnel and a wash tunnel. So I'm a little iffy, but you know, this is my first time doing a top wash at Go Express Car Wash, so this is cool. It says ready on that sign. Ready, set, go. All this window streaking right here is all my fault because I rolled down the window after doing a few car washes. I'm not in Riverside very often, so I figured I would do a couple of car washes in a row for the sake of my YouTube channel. But this one I think will probably be my last one for the day. So let's hope it's worth the let's hope it's a good finishing touch to my day. Whoa. You can't see it on camera, but the attendant screen picked out my name. The one that they send the rollers on. Alrighty. Starting out with Go Bath and the triple foam at the same time. First set of side brushes right here. I like the lighting effects, that I can say. Alright, we got a up and down, I'm sorry, forward and backward oscillating emitter curtain. And we're doing the rocker panel brush as well while we're doing this. Alright, this is a high pressure rinse arch here. Alright, so that's probably the graphene being applied right there. So these are Sunny's dryers? Yep, these are Sunny's dryers. And now we got the dry and shine using a custom material, evidently. Because these are made by Motor City Washworks here. Now we're doing the tire shine down there, I think. Ready to go. So you get free vacuums as well, of course. Why don't we pull into one of these spots and we'll take a look at the car. Car is pretty darn dry, I gotta hand it to him. Back isn't so dry, but you know, automatic washes struggle with that anyway, so this is looking really nice. Yeah, I mean, honestly, $28 is a bit of a stretch, but I mean, they got the car clean, and you get Rain-X graphing, which is a relatively new feature of car washes, in addition to the ceramic. So I'm not sure if I would call that a $28 value for a single wash, but as you heard the guy mention at the greeter booth, you know, if you wanted to pay for a membership, it's basically the price of one single wash every month. So that's, in terms of quality, wash quality, there is no complaints on that front. In terms of pricing, it's on the higher end, but if you're willing to bite the bullet and your car is really dirty, you'll probably get a pretty decent result out of that. Well, anyway, that's all I got. I really hope you enjoyed that. I liked all the lighting effects, and I hope you did too. And that is it.